So we're doing a video, natural habitats for animals with Sophie and Haley. Get on with the video. Birds in their natural habitat. Birds. Birds. Fail. The birds are in their natural habitat. Beep, beep. These are dodo birds before they all came extinct. And then dodo bird died. Next natural habitat is for dogs. Dogs' natural habitats. Next natural habitat is elephants. Elephants. All right, and thank you for watching our very short, roly-polies. That was the end of our very short video.